وسائل إلى علام من العوامل الرئيسة التي تؤثر في حياتنا اليومية لشكل كبير وتساهم في تشكيل آراء الناس.
Today we reflect on how mass media shapes our daily life, from the news we receive to the entertainment we enjoy. Media can influence our thoughts, choices and our behavior.
We can use media to learn new things, stay informed and even relax. But we need to make time for what really matters, like for studies and spending time with family.
We should be very mindful of how we use media and make sure it's helping us grow, not distracting us.
Mass media also has positive effects. It helps spread vital information quickly, helps raise awareness on important causes, and provides a platform for people to share their voice.
Balance your life, you will see the power of media can set you free.
Media can be fun, but we shouldn't let it control us. We need balance.